Before you begin threading, open your yarn ball and make sure there are no knots or tangles. Keep at least 1 to 2 meters of yarn free and flowing at all times. In your kit, you'll find a punch needle with 3 needles and a wire threader. Use the thickest needle, which is already pre-inserted in your punch barrel. The punch needle has multiple settings. Stick to setting 10 or 12 as beginners. You can adjust these depending on how tall you want your loops to be. Now take the wire threader and insert it through the top eye of the needle, letting it slide all the way through the barrel until the loop end comes out at the top. Next, insert the end of your yarn through the loop of the threader and gently pull the threader back through the needle. The yarn will come out through the eye of the needle. The thread will require some pulling to come out, so don't worry. Notice how the yarn is coming out from the needle eye. This is very important when you start stitching. Adjust the yarn length by pulling gently from the top. Leave around 1 inch of yarn coming out from the needle's eye. And that's it, your punch needle is now threaded and ready to use.